Have you ever wondered why there are times in your life when you feel unstoppable, like everything is falling into place and you are operating at your highest potential? On the flip side, there are times when you feel drained, stuck, and unable to access your fullest potential. It's almost as if there's a hidden power within you, waiting to be unlocked. This video is here to guide you to understand, tap into, and fully awaken that hidden energy within you. What if I told you that you have access to an unlimited source of energy that could change the course of your life forever? Your hidden energy is a unique force within you, and once you learn how to unlock it, you will experience a transformation that touches every aspect of your life. Get ready. This manual will guide you on how to activate your hidden energy. Understanding hidden energy. What is hidden energy? To understand how to unlock your hidden energy, we first need to define it. Hidden energy is not a mystical or intangible concept. It's the force within your mind, body, and spirit that fuels your actions, thoughts, emotions, and even your destiny. Your energy encompasses everything that makes you you: the creative energy that sparks new ideas, the physical energy that helps you conquer challenges, and the emotional energy that fuels your relationships and personal growth. Hidden energy refers to the untapped potential that exists within each individual. Often, we operate at a fraction of our true capacity, constrained by societal norms, limiting beliefs, and physical limitations. However, the moment you start to recognize and harness your hidden energy, you will realize that it's far greater than what you ever imagined. Why is this energy hidden? The reason we often struggle to access our hidden energy lies in the layers of conditioning we have built over our lifetimes. From a young age, we are taught to conform to societal expectations, to fit in, and to suppress our true desires for the sake of stability or security. These layers of conditioning build up over time, obscuring the innate power and energy we all possess. Fear, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs further trap our energy. For example, if you've ever believed that you are not good enough or that you can't achieve your dreams, this energy of self-limitation seeps into your being, diminishing your ability to tap into your true power. Unconsciously, you create energetic blockages that prevent the natural flow of energy within you. The energy within you. The truth is that you are a vast reservoir of energy, and it's ready to be unlocked. Whether it's the energy for deep focus and creativity, the strength to overcome obstacles, or the resilience to bounce back from hardship, this energy is always available. Once you tap into it, you'll feel an immense surge of vitality and inspiration. You'll be able to break free from limitations, pursue your passions, and live with purpose. The science behind energy and the human body. Our body is designed to be a powerful energy system. At the most fundamental level, our bodies are composed of atoms, molecules, and cells, all vibrating at different frequencies. In essence, we are beings of energy. The electricity in our nervous system transmits signals that allow us to move, think, and feel. Energy flows through us in different ways. Physical energy allows us to take action and accomplish tasks. Mental energy fuels our thoughts and cognitive abilities. Emotional energy influences our mood and relationships. And spiritual energy connects us to a higher sense of purpose and being. If any of these systems are out of balance, we experience fatigue, burnout, and a lack of motivation. The energy centers, chakras, and meridians. Many ancient traditions have identified specific centers within the body through which energy flows. In the Hindu tradition, these are known as chakras, energy centers that correspond to different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Similarly, traditional Chinese medicine speaks of meridians, pathways through which vital energy, shui, flows. When these centers are blocked, the flow of energy in the body becomes disrupted, leading to physical or emotional ailments. When you learn to open and balance these energy centers, you unlock the power to heal, grow, and thrive. Through practices like meditation, breathwork, yoga, and energy healing, you can clear these blockages and allow the flow of energy to resume. Quantum physics and human energy. Quantum physics has shown us that everything in the universe is connected by an unseen energy field. Every thought, action, and feeling you experience sends ripples through this energy field, influencing the world around you. This concept of interconnectedness is central to the idea of manifesting your desires. What you focus on, you attract. By learning how to focus your energy intentionally, you can influence not only your internal state, but also the external world around you. Identifying the blockages, the barriers to accessing your energy. Before you can access your full energy, it's important to identify what's blocking it. Most people are unaware that they carry emotional, mental, and even physical blockages that prevent the natural flow of energy. These barriers could be the result of past trauma, negative beliefs, unresolved emotions, or toxic relationships. Limiting beliefs. One of the primary reasons people are unable to tap into their hidden energy is because of limiting beliefs. These are beliefs you hold about yourself that restrict your growth and potential. You may believe you are not worthy, capable, or deserving of success or happiness. These limiting beliefs create a barrier between you and your energy. In order to unlock your hidden energy, it's essential to challenge these beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. This process can involve deep self-reflection, affirmations, and cognitive restructuring. When you begin to believe in your full potential, you will open the door to your true energy. Emotional blockages. Unresolved emotions, such as fear, anger, sadness, or guilt, can also create energetic blockages. These emotions trap your energy, preventing it from flowing freely. The more you suppress these emotions, the more power they hold over your energy. To release these emotional blockages, it's important to allow yourself to feel and express these emotions in healthy ways. Therapies like journaling, emotional release techniques, and talk therapy can help you process and let go of these negative emotions, clearing the path for positive energy to flow. Physical blockages. Sometimes physical ailments can be linked to energetic blockages. If you've been struggling with chronic pain, fatigue, or illness, it may be a sign that your body's energy channels are blocked. Practices like acupuncture, massage therapy, yoga, and energy healing can help restore balance to your physical energy system. The mind-body connection. Your mind is a powerful energy tool. The mind plays a crucial role in unlocking your hidden energy. Your thoughts are not just fleeting mental processes. They are powerful energetic forces that shape your reality. Negative thoughts drain your energy, while positive, empowering thoughts uplift and activate your energy. To access your hidden energy, it's important to practice mindfulness and begin observing your thought patterns. What kind of thoughts do you entertain on a daily basis? Are they empowering or limiting? Through mindfulness, you can become aware of your thoughts and begin shifting them towards more positive and constructive beliefs. Mindfulness and meditation. One of the most effective ways to reconnect with your energy is through meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and focus on your inner being. It is in the stillness that you reconnect with your true energy, and from this place, you can begin to activate it. Meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, increase focus, and promote emotional well-being. It helps clear the mind of clutter, enabling you to access the deeper levels of your subconscious and connect with your true energy source. Visualization and affirmations. Visualization and affirmations are two powerful tools for unlocking your hidden energy. When you visualize your goals and desires, you send out energetic signals to the universe that align with your intentions. These mental images shape your energetic frequency and attract the resources and opportunities needed to bring your desires into reality. Similarly, affirmations are positive statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating affirmations that align with your desired reality, you can shift your mental and energetic state, unlocking the energy needed to achieve your goals. The role of breath and movement. Breathwork as a tool for energy. Breathing is one of the most important ways to access your energy. Through controlled breathing techniques, you can increase your oxygen intake, activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and promote a sense of calm and vitality. Practices like pranayama, deep breathing, and box breathing can help you release tension and increase your energy flow. Breathwork is a simple but powerful practice that can be done anywhere, anytime. It's especially helpful when you feel drained or overwhelmed and need to recharge your energy quickly. Movement and physical activity. Physical movement is another key factor in unlocking your hidden energy. When you move your body, you stimulate the flow of energy through your muscles, joints, and organs. Movement increases circulation, releases endorphins, and promotes a sense of vitality. Exercise doesn't have to be intense to be effective. Even gentle activities like yoga, tai chi, or walking can help activate your energy flow and clear any blockages. The key is to move regularly and incorporate movement into your daily routine. Nourishing your energy. The importance of nutrition. Your body is your vessel, and the food you consume directly affects the energy available to you. Processed foods, sugary snacks, and caffeinated beverages may give you temporary energy, but they ultimately drain your system. On the other hand, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins fuel your body with lasting energy. To unlock your hidden energy, make it a habit to eat whole, unprocessed foods. These foods provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to function at its best. Eating a balanced diet is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your energy levels. Hydration and energy. Water is vital for your energy system. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and lack of focus. To ensure that your energy flows smoothly, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps regulate your body's temperature, supports digestion, and enhances mental clarity. Sleep and rest. Sleep is essential for energy restoration. When you sleep, your body has a chance to repair itself, and your mind processes the experiences of the day. A lack of quality sleep can leave you feeling drained and sluggish. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body and mind to recharge fully. Unlocking spiritual energy. Spiritual practices to awaken your energy. Spiritual practices can help you connect with higher realms of energy. Prayer, meditation, energy healing, and mindfulness practices create a direct channel to the universal energy that flows through all of us. By engaging in spiritual practices, you align yourself with a higher source of energy, which enhances your personal power. The power of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most transformative spiritual practices. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you shift your energy from a state of lack to one of abundance. This shift in perception activates a powerful flow of energy in your life. Gratitude enhances your vibration, making you more receptive to the energy you seek. The role of environment. The energy of your environment. Your environment plays a significant role in your energy levels. A cluttered, chaotic space can lead to feelings of stress and drain your energy. On the other hand, a clean, organized space with uplifting decor can elevate your energy. By making your environment a reflection of peace, balance, and positivity, you create a harmonious energy flow that supports your well-being. Nature's influence on your energy. Spending time in nature has a powerful impact on your energy. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by the ocean, nature has a way of restoring your energy and calming your mind. Being in nature helps to clear negative energies and reconnects you with the life force that flows through all things. The power of connection. The importance of relationships. The relationships you cultivate in your life have a profound effect on your energy. Surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded individuals can amplify your energy and encourage personal growth. Conversely, toxic relationships can drain your energy and hinder your progress. Choose relationships that support your energy and growth, and let go of those that don't. Community and shared energy. Being part of a community allows you to share and amplify your energy. When people come together with a common purpose or goal, their collective energy creates a powerful force. This energy can uplift and inspire you to reach new heights in your personal and spiritual journey. Now that you have the manual to unlock your hidden energy, it's time to take action. The steps are simple but profound. Start by becoming aware of your energy and identifying the blockages that have been holding you back. Use the practices and tools shared in this video to shift your mindset, nourish your body, and awaken your spirit. Remember, you have limitless potential waiting to be unlocked. The energy you seek is already within you. It's just waiting for you to activate it. By making small, intentional changes every day, you can begin to experience a profound transformation that will empower you to live the life you've always dreamed of. Stay committed, trust the process, and begin unlocking your hidden energy today. The power to create the life you desire is within your hands.